morning, guys. I hope you are all doing well and all good. We are leaving today for Hatchie Lake. This is located around Pirangut, I guess, and approximately 50 kilometers from where I live. So, yeah, let's go. So I've been trying to get in touch with few of the guys I'm riding with, but it seems like they're not picking up, and then some of them were up till 3 a.m. in the morning. They have sent me the reel on Instagram at 3 a.m. in the morning, so I don't think they'll be joining us today. Now I've seen photos of this location, right? Hatchie Lake. I've seen photos and videos, and they look pretty good. So let's see in actual if what we see on Instagram or what we see on the internet is actually what it is. We're leaving pretty early in the morning, like 5 a.m. and then we're traveling to, we'll go to Chandni Chowk, which is located around 25 kilometers from the place where we are first meeting. So we'll meet few others at Chandni Chowk, and then we'll go to Hatchie Lake. It's too early for the water tanker, man. People who are not riding, where are you going this early morning? I hope my mic is working. I'm not really sure. Hold on, let me pass through this gravel. Alright. So, is my mic working? I hope this is working. It should work. Damn, the audio levels are on the red. Through the roof. One of my friends is waiting at there. I gotta check with him if anyone else is joining. क्या बोलता अस्मित भाई? So
आयटीची कामं एवढी स्लो असतात ना भाई, डोक्याचा मोठा व्हायला लागला.
का रे?
अरे भाई 6 तास उन्हात थांबलं, 6 तास तिकडे उन्हात थांबलं, 8:30 पासून.
हां अरे
गेलो घरी जायला पार 4 वाजले.
असंच असतं भाई गव्हर्नमेंटमध्ये.
कोण आहे बाकी प्रकाश वगैरे नाही प्रकाश पण नाही.
Hey guys. My friend is not coming actually. He will join us on the way because we have to go somewhere else as well to collect people from there. So let's go. We'll meet him on the way. Right. So Asmit had some issue with his bike. Not exactly the issue, but I guess parts like fitment was kind of loose. Took some help from the two of the other riders who were standing there. इथून राईट घे. It is pretty late. We were supposed to leave by 5:30, but the wait took us long. And the fellow rider will meet on the way at this bridge here. So that's the plan. And then we'll leave for Sanitsauk, and then we'll meet few other guys there. And then after that, we'll leave for the spot. Today actually it's pretty quiet morning since it's a Sunday. There are usually many bikers group around this area, like for meetups, to the meetup point, initial startup point of the ride. But today I didn't see any of it. Like there were few riders, but not exactly the count I was expecting. So don't know, maybe because the sun is in the eye, the sun is too much, that's why people are avoiding rides maybe. Damn, I'm hungry. Oh shit, I can't be hungry this early morning. Still around 45 minutes to eat. Damn, bro. Now this is the Navle Bridge, the most famous Navle Bridge. People's conversation in Pune because of the stuff that happens here. Asmit is riding very peacefully. Very peacefully, bro. Not the kind of Asmit I'm usually met with. So this is the point where I have asked our other friend to join. Let's just see if he's here. सही शांत रहे।
अरे सीट तो ढूंढ रहा था गाड़ी अल्लाह भी देख रहा था इधर
उनको बोला क्या निकले हुए वो करके?
नहीं आएंगे हो रहा है
चल, दिस इज द कल्प्रिट। अभी ये गाड़ी भगाएगा। ही नो ही इज़ वेरी लेट and he knows that he has caused us all the delay that is possible, that is humanly possible. अभी कैसे भगा रहा है बाइक? Oh, this is nice. A climate like this is the most loved by bikers all around. Cool breeze of the air. Temperature is not so hot, it's all cold. And then the company you're riding with all set up. So this is the bag which is very helpful actually. I wanted to tell you. This I purchased for 1500 or so around 2 years back. Now this is the bag I carry because it has all my electrical stuff, such as you can say like I have an extra 360 and then hold on, yeah, so I have an extra 360. Then I have a power bank to charge the extra 360. Then I have battery pack for Action 5 Pro, which I am currently recording on. Then I have a DJI mic, DJI mic box as well. The receivers and transmitters, stuff like that. Yeah, that's much all of it. Like, the main ones are these actually, and then the other is like filter caps for my Action 5 Pro, and then selfie sticks, invisible poles, stuff like that. So it can store it all without any issue. So I've been loving this bag. काय पब्लिक किधर है?
त्यांना 6 टाइम दिलेला
6 वाजून गेले बाबा.
नाही रे
बघ की.
4 मिनिटं वाटतं. So we'll wait here for another 10 minutes to see what other people are joining, and after a few minutes waiting we'll leave. I'll keep you posted, guys. Bye.
Look at this. It's so nice, man. There are too many speed breakers on the road. And those are not very helpful while cruising. See? And I have to break my speed down. if it seems like it's not that much low, the soil is pretty loose. टेढ़ा डाल हाँ डाल टेढ़ा डाल, कुछ नहीं होता, डालना डाल टेढ़ा, रुक पीछे, मागे मागे उतर ना, स्टैंड पे लगा, रुक 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 ना 2 मिनट, इनको जान दे।
आराम जा
उतर। हे अश्मित चावी बंद कर ना।
सोडू का?
हाँ सोड।
भाई बंद आहे ना बंदा
कसा आहे आयुष? खुश का? आयो
अरे आता आपण वर जर गेलो असतो ना त्या पाहुण्यांचं जातो तिथं डायरेक्ट भेटत दिसल्या एवढं काही बघितलंय आता
ते वेगळी गोष्ट आहे. तुमचा मोरा सारखा विषय आहे. So finally we are here. This is Adshi Lake. You can see. These are all the bikes. And then you come from there, but there's really rough patch where the soil is very loose, and then you have to get off from bike and then ride all the way. But we somehow managed it. This still looks something clean. So yeah, this is very nice. We'll leave now for breakfast and then I'll update you.
गाडी मस्त लागलीत आपली. स्कीम भारी वाटते बघ ना स्टार्टिंगचे टायरचे.
हो
फवारले
आहे, पण तेच आहे ना, मग असा थोडा हायर CC वरनं जेव्हा येतो परत तेव्हा ते फील होतं एक. तुला लय ऑप्शन खूप सारे आहेत तुला.
अजून आताशी एकच वर्ष झालंय, बघू नंतर.
नाही आरामात. मागं घे, मागं येऊ दे, मागं आणि अशी पुढनं घे. चल उतर जरा, उतर ना. आराम से भाई. तिथंच गेला रे तू बी, तिथंच अडकला तू बी. इथं अशी पुढं घे गाडी. आता तू जाऊ दे सरळ. ॲडव्हेंचर फॉर अ रिझन. मागं नको जाऊ जास्त. चल. हा ना. हो.
अरे बघितलं ना तू आहे ना, खरंच जातो बघत की नाही रस्ता नंतर. तुम्ही कुठे
If you are able to see all this, I'll just show you with this camera. It's like pretty nice scenery. Very nice. सब लोग जा चुके हैं अभी आप तो दोस्त से यहाँ पर रुके और बस का वेट कर रहे हैं। हैज़ लेफ्ट बिहाइंड। बहुत धूप भी है तो देखेंगे, थोड़ा 5 मिनट की दूरी पर है वो। लेट्स सी। इसमें बहुत है बहुत इतनी धूप में बाहर ना निकलो तो ही सही है। Had a bad call. It's about 5